In this video, I will walk you through steps to set up and configure your system for Angular development on a fresh Windows machine, and then I'll create a sample Angular 5 application. I will show you how you can use any IDE of your choice for further Angular development. I will use just Notepad in this demo. So let's get started. I am on my fresh Windows machine. Let's begin by installing Node, and to install Node, I'll open a website node.org/en/download, and here you see Windows installer. I'll click here and you can see it has downloaded it. I'll click to install it. Now Node installation is successful. Let's open command line and run a command npm version, and you see npm version is 5.6 here. You may have older or newer version. In either case, let's update the existing installation by running command npm install global npm and hit enter. And now check again npm version, and you see I have 5.8.0 now. Now time to install Angular CLI on my system. This is one-time work. After that I will keep creating new Angular projects. Let's install it by running command npm install global angular/CLI. It will take some time. Now you see Angular CLI installation is completed. Now let's go ahead and check its version, ng version, and you see here Angular CLI is 1.7.3, Node is 8.10.0. Now we have everything installed and configured. Let's go ahead and create a sample Angular app with a minimal code. But before that, navigate to location where you want to create your Angular app. For this, I'll run the command cd d drive, and I'll move to D drive and clean the screen. Now in order to create Angular app, we need to run ng new and application name. Here I'll type sample app and then a flag minimal. So this will ensure that create the Angular app with a minimal possible code. I'll hit enter. Now you see a message project sample app successfully created. So let's navigate to sample apps, cd sample app, and now I can build and serve the Angular project. Now in order to build it, I'll type build. I'll talk about ng build and ng serve, and you see ng build is successful without any error. In order to run this Angular app, I need to serve it. So I'll type ng serve, and I can use watch flag. I'll talk about this in just a bit. And you see ng live development server is listening on port localhost 4200. Navigate to that location, and here you see your first sample Angular app. So we run two commands, ng build and ng serve with watch flag. ng build command builds all TypeScript codes and Angular library and generate JS files which we can use on HTML pages. We also used ng serve command. This will create an endpoint using Node server, and we used flag watch which will continue to serve even if we change code. We may use watch flag with ng build also, and this will continue building project as we change the code. Keep in mind, ng build as well as ng serve both builds the project. The basic difference is that ng build creates dist folder with all compiled JS files, whereas ng serve builds the project and opens an endpoint using Node which we can open directly in browser, which you see on screen now. Also, build is used for deployment purpose and serve is used for development purpose. Because we are using ng serve with watch flag, we can go ahead and make changes in the project. I will open the project here. You see sample app, and in src let's open app folder. Let's open app component. We will understand these codes in upcoming videos. So here you see all the codes. One thing that I am going to change is title. So we have a title app. Let's go ahead and change it demo app and hit save. Now if you look at console, you see it automatically compiled the project using Webpack, and if we open browser, you see welcome to demo app is updated automatic. Let's go ahead, make another change. I'll type 1 here and hit save, and you see it automatically updated on the browser. This is because we're running ng-serve with watch flag. You see the power of Angular, Webpack and Node together here. Now how do you begin further development next day? Let's pretend that and close everything. Let's open CMD and then navigate to D drive and change directory to sample app. Now again we will run ng-serve with watch flag. I'm running serve directly. This will build and generate an endpoint which we can access from browser. Let's open browser now and open localhost 4200, and you see your Angular app is running. So we're running ng-serve with watch flag. Let's go ahead and run ng-build and see the dist directory. Let's open command line again and then change the directory to D drive and change directory to sample app, and now run ng-build, and you see dist folder is automatically generated with all the required JS files. Now one more thing, let's open package.json file. We will understand these files in upcoming videos. Here is my package.json, and let's check the versions. So you see Angular animation version is 5.2, common version is 5.2, compiler is 5.2, and rest everything is 5.2 here. So we are building our app with Angular 5. Hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching.